Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to send from Wise to Revolut. So let's get into the video. So firstly, let me open up my Wise application. So log into your Wise account. So once I've logged into your Wise account, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to send money to my Revolut. So I'll go to hit the send option here. Okay, and then I'm going to send it to, I'm going to choose an account outside my Wise. I'm just going to send it to a different account. So I'm going to send it with, you can choose whether international or same currency. I'll just put same currency. That's fine. I'll just put Australian dollars. That's fine. Okay, and then here you just need to choose the amount that you wish to send. Okay, just do that, and then that's the okay. So you set the amount and then hit on continue. When you hit on continue here, what are you going to do? You're going to, on your top right here, you have the plus icon here. Click on the plus icon. All right, and then your recipient, choose someone else. Okay, so here now this is where you go to enter your account details of your Revolut. So you need to put in your Revolut account details. So where do you get your Revolut account details? You can simply get it if you go to your Revolut application. Just log into your Revolut. So I'm just logging into mine. So here, so under the account that you wish to make the transaction, click on the details option, and here you will get all the account number and all the details here. So from here, just take it, copy and paste it into here, and then hit on, and then provide the other details as well here, and then hit on confirm and complete the transaction. And that's how you send from Wise to Revolut. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.